Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft OneDrive and save all your documents. First, you need to open this PC or you need to open the File Explorer. So I will just open this PC app. After that, you may see OneDrive from here. If you don't have it from here, you can go to this path. So just open the C drive. Then you need to open the users file, as see from here. After that, you need to go to your user. I see this is my user. I need to just click on it. After that, you need to go to the OneDrive file. Here's the OneDrive file. You can just click on it and open it. From here, you will see all your documents. So just select all your documents and then right click it and then hit on copy. After you have copied it, or just click on the scissors option or anything, you can paste it on any file you want. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your settings. So you can open the start menu by pressing on the Windows key. Then you can search for settings. I'll see from here. Click on the settings icon. Then from here you can just search for apps. I'll see here's the option to add or remove programs. Click on it. Then from here you can just search for Microsoft OneDrive. As see from here, here's OneDrive. I can just click on the three dots from here and then hit on uninstall. After you hit on the uninstall button, you can just follow the prompts and uninstall Microsoft OneDrive completely. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.